Hello, hello. Welcome to my happy place. I had to take a break from filming my box openings because I was bidding for something on eBay. I didn't want to miss it. I had to make sure I won it. I've been into auctions lately. Anyone else ever watch Jerry Whitney? He does auctions. He's a licensed auctioneer down south, and he buys things in storage units and around, I guess. And I've been watching him. He's on during the week at night, and he had a storage unit where the woman was very into QVC, especially jewelry, and I have gotten some great deals on really pretty jewelry. And if you hear a little noise, it's not the dogs this time, it's the cat. I'm not sure what she's doing. I think she's scratching up papers. So the first box I'm going to open is my Look Fantastic box. And I think I should have pre-opened this because this looks a little confusing. Let's see, I think I have to pull it open. Yeah, pull it open. Here we go. It has a card. Oh, it's for something for dog food. Let's get this box out. Again, I opened it somehow upside down, but it was the only way I could get it open. Come on. Come on. There we go. Ooh, pretty. That is a pretty box. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we have a booklet. It has an index. Lucky me. We have the Elle magazine that comes with it every month. And Katie Holmes. I don't know why, but on all of these magazines, it just doesn't look like the person who they say it is. To me, that doesn't look like Katie Holmes. It's finally ready to talk. Pretty sure it's Katie Holmes. It doesn't really have any other names on it. But it's a nice magazine. What are you doing, Kitty? You never come around me. Pretty pink paper. So let's see. I see something in the box. Here it is. So this time we have Lushes. They're nice, a very thin band. And it looks like they also have the glue inside. They're by Allure. They have a worth of £5, six. And you just use them like regular lashes. They're called Flutterly Light. Nice. Let's see. We have Travel Size Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner by Ico. That's nice. And how much do you go for? It has a worth of £9. Says the 4 mil is £9, so I have a feeling that that's what this is. No, this is 0.3 mil, 0.03 mil. So the full size would be 9 pounds. What else do we have? We have a BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil. I like BB products. I use BB products. They're not all great, but most of them are. Let's see. And I'm not using the index. Use the index. The first few pages just says what's in the box. Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. And a 30 ml is worth £5. This is 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml. Oh, so that's worth £5. And it's infused with featherlight oils. This Invisible Oil Primer is a lightweight pre-styling mist formulated for dry, coarse, or brittle hair, protecting against breakage, heat styling, and UV damage. Mist over damp hair, focusing on the ends, comb through, and style as desired. Nice. What is this? Real Chemistry. It's a 3-minute peel. The 20 ml is worth £19.88. I don't see how many mils are in here. I just don't see it. So it looks like a travel size. Doesn't look like it would be that much. I don't use peel off. Spread gel over damp skin, working into the complexion for 2 to 3 minutes. Cleanse, removing the gel with warm water. Okay, so it's not really peel. It removes dead skin to reveal a soft and renewed complexion. Okay. We have a little guy in here. PRAI Firm and Lift Cream. Let's see. It has a worth of £9 for 10 ml. Oh, this is 10 ml. Okay. What is it? You smooth into cleansed, toned skin twice daily. It's a moisturizer. It hydrates skin whilst defending against free radicals. Skin looks smoother, younger, with a fresher, firmer appearance. Okay. And I think we have one more thing in here. Besides the little silica gel packet. And they have just such pretty pink squigglies in there. We have an eye palette. It's called Eye Divine. It has a price of £8.99. Let's just see. My scissors always get buried. Oh, and if anyone ever goes to the Jerry Whitney auctions, tell him Granny sent you. He'll laugh. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty. It comes with a little sponge, double-end sponged applicator. Do I have something to cover it with? Yeah. It has pretty colors. A lot of them are shimmer except for 2, possibly 3. I can't tell. So that is my Look Fantastic. Shall we go and open the QVC box, Tili box? There we go. Again, I'm upside down. Come down. Here we go. They have a card. That's a pretty box. Very Christmassy. Tili, try it, love it. It's all chic to me. What we have. So excited. Okay. So we have a small little sample of Moisture Surge by Clinique. We have a Isle of Paradise medium self-tanning water with color correcting actives it to even skin tone. I don't do anything self-tanning. No. Been there, done that. Never again. Isle of Paradise. How to use, exfoliate 24 hours before tanning, blah 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 blah. I won't use it. We have a professional whitening system by Super Smile. I also don't use these. How do you use it? Use a pea-sized amount of the toothpaste and accelerator together on a dry toothbrush. Apply the toothbrush to the area between each tooth where the gum line meets and make tiny circles for 2 minutes, twice a day. Rinse afterward if desired. 2 minutes is a long time. Doesn't seem like long, but it's long when you're doing that. We have Damn Girl mascara, a sample size by Too Faced, and you know how to use that. We have Kaja, I think it's C-A-J. What are you? Vanilla scented volumizing finishing spray. Strong hold, infused with hyaluronic. What if you could open? I'm curious if that smells. Nope, it just smells like strong hairspray. It doesn't have a vanilla smell. It does say that on there, right, don't they? No, it doesn't say. Yes, vanilla scented. No, you're not vanilla scented. We have a little Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. I don't think that's going to focus. And I think we have one more. No, 2 more. We have a strawberry lip mask with collagen. Single unit. Who is that by? Soon? Is that a company? Soon Skincare. And we have a Bye Bye Pores pressed airbrush powder. It's a nice size. It's silk airbrush powder with luxe brush. If there's a brush, I don't must be really short. It Cosmetics airbrush powder with Luxe brush. I don't see a brush. Let's see if there's actually a brush in there. Scissors get buried again now. I'm just so curious. I have to see if there's a brush in here. Let's see. No, there's no brush. There's a, little sponge applicator, but no brush. Oh, that was disappointing. I think I'm going to email them and say, where's my brush? Because it's definitely not in here. No brush. Nice powder though. So, thank you for coming to my happy place and helping me to unbox my boxes. Happy trails until we meet again. Bye-bye.